With a debutant siblings, Miss Linda, Miss Sherilyn Torrento Alzador. Wala po ba tayo mga kawan?
Yamot. Yeah. Against the light.
Without further ado, let us put our hands together as we welcome the main highlight of this celebration. And as we step into the higher level of life, ladies and gentlemen, our debutant, Sherilyn Alzador. Oh.
Nay. Parang sila tatayo.
Ayan. Nag-acknowledge po natin yung kanyang lolo. Lolo. Lolo.
Nalagaragat na ako. Okay.
At this moment, I'd like to request everybody to please stand up as we say a prayer.
Isa pa. Ikaw na.